sunny Miami town, where smiles never fade or frown. A brand new hero's come to play. Mr. Bristles saves the day. He hums along the shiny halls, through open spaces, common walls. A gentle sound, a gleaming floor. He's cleaning more than ever before. Mr. Bristles, bright and keen, the pride of VT Robotics, smart clean. Brought to you by Sodexo's care. He's keeping sparkle everywhere. From morning coffee to dinner time trays, he quietly works in thoughtful ways. He sweeps, he scrubs, he vacuums too. AI smart, he knows what to do. Jason and Joe will see a cleaner world through technology. He's strong, he's kind, and always neat. He makes each meal feel more complete. His bin is big, his sensors bright. He cleans with heart both day and night. No crumb too small, no task too wide. He glides with Sodexo by his side. He's built for care, he's built for grace. A perfect fit for this special place. With every pass, the message clear. Innovation lives right here. Mr. Bristles shining gray, bringing joy to work each day. From Sodexo's team to every scene, it's VT Robotics, smart clean. Yo, Miami Jewish health, we cheer. Your future's bright.